Hi guys, it's Nyra. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming. Today is New Year's Eve. I'm just now uploading a New Year's look today. I'm just now filming this. Is this even gonna be up? I'm just now filming and possibly uploading this today because you do what you want when you're lazy. I am actually recreating a look that I wore on a date to the movies one time. I will insert a picture somewhere on the screen. And it was a really bomb makeup look, and every time I look at pictures of me like in that look, I'm like, nobody even saw that. I wore that to the movies. So what better way to conclude 2017 than by filming a look that I really like and like going back to one of my favorite looks from 2017, you know, and giving it the spotlight that it deserves. If you guys are new here, then go ahead and subscribe because it's a party. And without further ado, let's get into this super extra New Year's makeup. Look at the highlight. Like, what? No flashback. Highlight popping. Inner eye corner popping. No flashback. Like, I got it going on. Eyebrows are on off camera because nobody wants to watch that. It's boring. So now we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm now taking this super dark shimmery shade and putting that just on the outer corner to really make that super extra and super dramatic because, like, it's New Year's. Okay, I'm actually loving the way that this came out. I'm gonna keep blending a little bit, especially in this crease, just so it's not like too harsh. But this came out even more precise than the first time I did it because I am recreating like a look that I did on myself before on a date to the movies. And it's like, the movie is dark. Who saw it? Nobody. So why waste a perfectly good beat? To complete the eyes, I'm going to put some silver glitter on the inner corner, but I'm feeling lazy, so I'm going to take my Wet n Wild glitter that like already has adhesive on it. You just stick it down and go. Sometimes it moves around, but I'm not putting it on my lid. I'm putting it on my inner corner, so it'll be fine. I'm not sure if I want to do shadow on the lower lash line. I'm going to look back at that picture again and see if I can tell if I had shadow on the lower lash line before, but I'll determine if I feel like the look needs more on the eyes after I finish the face, because I don't want to go super ham on the eyes and then like beat my face and then I'm like, being a clown is fun. No joke, I've been taking filming intermissions to eat chips. And I can't say I regret it. I'm like sitting here with my fat stomach like rolling out underneath the camera. You guys can't even see it. It's so funny. Taking my Dream Liquid Mousse, my favorite foundation right now, but it's really my favorite foundation right now because I won't buy another foundation. So it's my favorite of my choices, but I'm sure there's something out there I would like more. I needed to go ahead and go foundation shopping. And I have a sinus infection right now. And if you've ever had a sinus infection, you know that your face like hurts. Before I continue on with the face, I'm gonna go into Cafe. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm not gonna try. And I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. It's a silver eyeshadow, so it's gonna help bring out this silver glitter. I should have put it under. I don't know why I'm just now thinking of this. I believe when I did it before, I put it under. So, and now I'm gonna put the silver glitter back on top of this. 2 concealers. NYX HD Studio Photogenic Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 35 Deep. This is the shade Yellow. I don't think I said that. Taking my e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Duo and using the bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be taking my cream blush palette by e.l.f., which is this big old mirror I've been using, and I use it in all my videos. I'm mixing 2 of the deepest shades. I would show you guys, but it's cream blush. I've had it for a minute, and it's dirty and ugly, so I'm doing you a favor. Isabella Fiore, aka my queen, just had a video where she was like, I don't understand how people don't like blush. I love blush. I put it everywhere. And I was like, girl, me too. Especially being a brown girl. A lot of brown girls are like, I don't like blush. Now, moving on to highlighter. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. And I'm taking the gold color, because there's 4 in here. And I'm taking a fan brush, because obviously with a look like this, I want a lot of highlight. But I don't want to get immediately carried away. For my lashes, I'm not going to put on a pair of lashes. I'm just going to be taking my Better Than Sex mascara, mostly because I'm lazy. Brown lip liner on the outside, my NYX Lip Lingerie Teddy on the inside with some clear gloss in the middle. think I'm gonna go without the clear gloss this time because look how cute that matte lip is. With the dewy skin. Oh yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this look, this video, if you like me, give this video a like and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. I hope you guys have a wonderful 2018, and I want to thank everyone that supported me in 2017, and I'll see you next year. Bye guys.